Hi Geminis, how you guys doing? I hope you all are happy, healthy, safe, following the rules and guidelines of the government. Geminis, this is the reading for the month of April 2021. I hope you like this reading. Kindly like, share and subscribe. And if you wish to enroll, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to enroll for WhatsApp video calls, for one-on-one session with me, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to order energized and activated bracelets and anklets, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to book one-on-one personal reading related to anything, the details are given in the description box below. Like if you want to enroll for Vastu sessions and energy consultation for your house and office space and business space, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to have anything, like anything, okay, so for everything the details are given in the description box below actually, okay. So yeah, let's check it out. If you wish to donate, the details are given in the description box below. And if you want to enroll for 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below, okay. So yeah, let's check it out. Okay, Geminis, what you are going through, I think you are disappointed with the third party situation, okay. Whatever is interfering into your life, you are disappointed. You're waiting for some major breakthrough and major success into your life, either into your career life, major victory you want either into your career life or into your relationship, okay. So yes, it's a situationship reading. Either it will be related to career or relationship. You feel disappointed, you feel stressed out because a lot of politics is going on either into your work environment or into your personal life or the people around you. Maybe the third party is manipulative or sneaky, okay. So yeah, you are just going with the flow. Patience, you are keeping patience. A few of the Geminis who are feminines might hear a news of pregnancy, okay, or yeah, or few of the Geminis might get pregnant, who are feminines might get the news of pregnancy or they are pregnant, or so congratulations to those people whosoever is expecting, okay. Some few of you might be expecting, only 5% of the people out there, not everyone, okay. And rest of you are disappointed but keeping patience, okay. 777, a lot of disappointments are going on currently into your life because of manipulative people, because of the third party situation, because of the outside ambience that is disappointing you a lot currently in the month of April. And you are realizing a lot of facts about yourself, about the people around you. That's the thing, which is very good. Nice. You feel that you want to travel, you want to relocate, you want to shift somewhere else. Okay, sorry guys, I'm really sorry. It was just a sudden thing, okay. Sorry. It was but I don't have COVID, okay. It was just a natural thing, okay guys. So you are just being very intensive, like you are just focusing on your intensity, the way you are thinking. You are just thinking very intensely right now. You are waiting for a new beginning related to something, okay. Like taking a risk, going somewhere, starting a new job, new business, or going somewhere, relocating, shifting, okay. You just want to take a risk related to something and starting a new beginning. You are waiting for a new journey you want to go on, okay. You feel that there is a lack of understanding related to certain people in your life, okay. And a lot of lack of trust is there, Geminis, related to the situations, okay. Like you cannot trust someone fully, which is way too bad, okay. 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 I'm taking this one. Okay, so the hidden truths, hidden secrets came out, okay. Or you feel that someone is hiding a lot of truths and secrets from you, okay. You are waiting for some sort of a new opportunity related to money, okay. A new opportunity or a breakthrough might happen in the month of next 2 months or next 4 months. A new opportunity related to money, you might get it, okay, in next 4 months. You are gaining a lot of clarity related to manipulative people, related to the people who are playing politics with you or who are stressing you out. Okay, so you are gaining a clarity and you are cutting off the communication from the karmic people who are not good for you, who are toxic for you, or who are not healthy for your health. Okay, so yeah, you might travel, you might relocate somewhere, you might shift somewhere. Okay, so yeah, you are going to go somewhere. I think, traveling in the next 7 months, you might travel somewhere, you might shift, you might relocate. Okay, you feel that you are carrying a lot of burden related to people around you or related to the situations around you. Okay, that's the problem. You feel you are gaining a clarity related to a third party situation, third party interference, and now you are no more stuck into a situation. Now you have gained a clarity, or you are gaining a clarity related to the third party interference, whosoever it is. Okay, now you will be taking action towards you are waiting for an opportunity of money. Okay, but you will be not getting that opportunity in the month of April, so you will be feeling stuck related to money related stuff. Okay, you want major breakthrough related to money and you will be feeling stuck with that. Okay, yes, you are gaining a lot of massive amount of clarity. What are the things which you want to be with in your life, and what are the things which you don't want to be with in your which you don't want to be with. Okay, so you are gaining massive amount of clarity related to taking risk, relocating, shifting, starting your new journey, going for a new beginning. Okay, which is very good. You are ready for a new beginning in life. Okay, in next 4 months your new life is going to start. Ending of karmic relationship, karmic cycles will end. Okay, you are no more going to, you just want to leave the past behind and you want to move forward. You want to travel, you want to relocate, you want to shift, you want to start, shift to a new house or a new place or a new country. Okay, this is going to happen in within next 7 to 8 months. You are going to leave everything behind and you are going to take a risk to shift somewhere else. Okay, Geminis, yes, you are going to take a major decision. Okay, some major decisions are on the horizon for you. Karmic justice will play its role. Okay, yes, karmic endings are happening. Past is will try to reach out to you. Okay, so for some of you, past will come back into your life or will try to reach out to you. It's up to you what you are supposed to do. Okay, and karmic justice, like a proper karmic cycle is ending for you. Proper karmic closures are happening for you. Karmic lessons you are learning. Even the people around you who are karmic for you, you are going to realize who are toxic for you, who are not toxic for you. Like, you won't be able to resist if karmic endings are happening right now in the month of April, then you won't be able to resist the negative people around you. Okay, that's the thing. So which is very good. Yes, there are manipulative people, sneaky energies who took advantage of you. You are aware of it, and somewhere you know who is the devil energy, who is the villain into your story. Okay, so you know that thing, which is very good. Okay, okay, so new beginning is going to happen. Okay, leaving the past behind, leaving the relationship behind. You are going to take major decisions in the month of April, May. In the next 4 months, some new beginning is on the horizon for you. I can say that next 4 months will be it will change your life in a better way. Some major wish fulfillment will happen. Past will try to come back to you. It's not about the past, the recent past. You might have many exes in the past, or someone might try to reach out to you. Your ex might try to reach out to you. Okay, exes. Okay, multiple exes if you have. Okay, those also can reach out to you. If you're not trusting your intuition level, I would suggest you to trust your intuition level. New beginning has been blocked right now, but in the next 4 months, I think new beginning is on the horizon for you. Okay, trust me with that. You are going to take some major risk, relocation, shifting, shifting to a new house, new place, which is very good. Wow, this is the best reading so far, guys. amazing. You are dealing with karmic relationships, you are dealing with politics, you are dealing with a third party situation, you are dealing with multiple things, okay, at the time. Manipulative sneaky energy who took advantage of you. So yeah, you're dealing with lot of manipulative energy and lot of energies, different energies are there. And I think you are going through breakthrough, you are going to break free from all these stupid things, and you are going to move ahead, move forward in a better way, in a positive way, okay, Geminis. Wow. So now like, share and subscribe guys, first of all, okay, for more monthly readings, okay. Let's just check it out what universe wants to tell you. Okay, so there are three universal messages. The first universal message is, through prayer and meditation I create a ripple effect of peace in the world. Do prayer and meditation, it will be good for your health and for you. The second is, I create mindful moments throughout the day, reminding myself that I am love and miracles are natural. The third universal message is, energy flows where my intention goes. Be positive, because whatever your intentions are, energies will flow through that, okay. So what an angels wants to guide you, or angels wants to tell you. Wow. Okay, so the angels wants to tell you that laughter is a wonderful healer. It shakes out fear and leaves you feeling happier, clearer and more relaxed, okay. Remember that angels fly because they take themselves lightly, so make light of difficulties and see the funny side of the situation. Laugh at yourself and with the other. I see the humor in everything. Be like that, okay. Just create laugh on your own, okay. Don't be sad, because if you are happy, you are going to attract happiness inside you, within you, around you, okay. Be kind. Be kind to yourself and to the people around you. The third message is from Archangel Zaphael. Archangel Zaphael tells he will also help you to learn and absorb information. So if you are studying or involved in any form of education, divine assistance is available to you now. Call on Archangel Zaphael for direction and strength. He will help you to remove negativity and become open-minded, clear and wise. The angels remind you that it is time for you to wear the golden cloak of wisdom. So visualize yourself surrounded in gold light and be wise. Wow. So open your heart chakra and call on the Archangel Zaphael for the right direction. He'll be giving the right direction to you, okay, in the month of April. So I hope you like this situationship reading related to career, relationship or your financial life, okay. And kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel guys. Bye bye, take care.